Hello, friends. Today I want to ask you a touching question. Do you think that a right decision, a right choice can change your whole life? Think about it, yes or no. Imagine a step that can rewrite your destiny. An opportunity that can take you to the place where you have always imagined yourself. Friends, every big change in the world, every big history has always started with a small decision. And today, this is the moment that can be the turning point of your life. History is witness that when Bitcoin was launched in 2009, people were laughing, making jokes. But today, the same Bitcoin trillion-dollar empire. Facebook was launched in 2004. People said this time has passed, but today Facebook has become Meta and is one of the most powerful companies in the world. Google was started in 1998 and people used to think it would work or not. But today without Google, the world cannot even imagine. Now think, if you had joined these companies at that time, where would your life have been, friends? Today you are sitting at the right place and at the right time. This is not just a webinar, this is the moment of history that is being written in front of you. The question is this: are you just going to see it or be a part of it? And with that, I introduce you MetaWell, Singapore-based company that is working on the biggest revolution of Web3, blockchain and AI. The company's mission is simple. By solving real-world problems with decentralized technology, and whenever a problem is solved, trillion-dollar opportunity emerges from there. The problem of communication has been solved, the problem of WhatsApp shopping has been solved, the problem of Amazon information has been solved. And now the biggest problem in the world is data privacy, centralization and security, and MetaWealth will solve these problems, and this is the beginning of our journey. Now imagine Ethereum just built a $400 billion ecosystem by building a blockchain, but Ethereum has problems with scalability, speed and gas fees. Now imagine a blockchain that is fast, secure, scalable and completely decentralized. This Meta blockchain network, and when Ethereum can grow so much, why not Meta blockchain? Now imagine what will happen when the whole world starts shifting to Meta blockchain. Its market cap in just 1 year, billions of dollars will cross. Now let's come to the lockdown on MetaMeet. All of you must have used Zoom, Google Meet and MSTM, but did you know that every call you have is recorded and every data you have is stored on some server? Privacy zero. And MetaMeet will change this, a decentralized video conferencing platform where there will be no central server, your data will be yours and calls will be 100% private. Friends, this market is already worth $20 billion and is going to explode to $75 billion, and imagine the growth when MetaMeet hits this market. Now imagine how many people around the world use Zoom and Meet every day. Exactly, this is the demand, and MetaMeet will capture this demand with a decentralized solution. Now come on MetaPlay, the biggest passion of youngsters around the world is gaming, and today the gaming industry is worth $300 billion, but now Web3 gaming has come, where you also play and also earn. MetaPlay is coming, immersive blockchain games where earnings will be from NFTs and MetaWealth tokens. Now imagine how fast MetaPlay will grow if millions of gamers generate income along with entertainment. Yes friends, this is not just gaming, this is an earning revolution. Now let's talk about Meta browser. Today you all use Chrome, Safari and Edge. They look free, but the reality is that you are their product. Your every search, every click and every browsing history, these companies are earning billions of dollars by selling them. Meta browser will give ad-free privacy first and Web3 compatible browsing experience. Imagine a browser that keeps you safe and has only you control over your data. And now Meta Cloud, you all use Google Drive and Dropbox. But hacking and privacy cutters are always there. With blockchain-based storage, encrypted files, and global accessibility, the industry is already 150 billion and is going to reach 500 billion, and Meta Cloud will redefine it. Now come the biggest fear of crypto on Metaswap is exchange hack. But Metaswap will give decentralized, instant and secure token swapping. Remember, Uniswap is above $5 billion today, and Metaswap. MetaWealth will capture this market by becoming part of the ecosystem. Talking about MetaChat, WhatsApp and Telegram all say that they are secure, but somewhere there is always a backdoor. MetaChat will give decentralized messaging with true privacy, no tracking and no data theft. Imagine a messaging system that is completely private between you and your contacts. And now comes the biggest thing is Meta AI today. The whole world is running on AI. Google, Microsoft and OpenAI is sub-centralized. But imagine decentralized AI. Meta AI will give smart assistants, predictive analytics and secure decision making without any central control. Friends, this is a $1 trillion industry and MetaWealth will take its share in it. Now the question is, how much growth will it be? Remember, Zoom touched on 100 billion valuations in just 5 years. Ethereum created 400 billion ecosystems in 10 years. The gaming industry is already at 300 billion and MetaWealth is combining all of these to create blockchain AI. Gaming is creating a complete ecosystem of storage and communication, and I can confidently say that MetaWealth will be on the way to becoming a $1 trillion company in the next 2 years. Friends, today's seminar was not just an introduction, this is a wake-up call. You have an option today. Either keep watching this revolution or be a part of it. There are two types of people in life who read history and those who write history, friends. Now the last and biggest question, in which category do you want to come? Do you just want to read history? Or do you want to be a part of history that the whole world will remember? Remember, there are two kinds of people in the world. First, those who stand on the sidelines and watch others make history. And secondly, those who themselves step into the field and write history. When Bitcoin came, people laughed. When Facebook came, people said this time has passed. When Google came, people said this will not work. But those who took the decision at that time are changing the world today, and those who stood on the sidelines, they're just regressing today. Then think about the next 2 years when people hear the name of MetaWealth, when this company stands at $1 trillion valuation, when the world says that this was the future, where will you be? Would you like to join in at that time? And yes, I was a part of that story. I wrote my name in that revolution, friends. It's not just a company, it's a movement. This is a revolution. This is one such moment which can rewrite your entire destiny. And I repeat, this is your right place. This is your right time. Today you have been given a choice, a golden chance, an opportunity that every generation does not get. Will you miss this opportunity and regret it, or will you seize it and make your life so big that future generations will remember your name? Friends, today you are not just becoming a part of MetaWealth. Today you are going to write your name in history and remember. When the future generation reads the story of this revolution, will any of them stand up and say, my grandfather, my father, my mother, my brother were part of this revolution? So friends, now is the time to get up, change thinking and stand up. where the whole world will see you, because MetaWealth is not just creating products, MetaWealth is creating history. The question is, will you be just watching or will you be writing that history?